Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope all of you are doing well. Today it is my pleasure to present you about the interaction of Flutter. So it come up with the question, so what is Flutter? So before having Flutter, if we want to develop an application, we need to think about Android and iOS. So with Android, we develop with Java or Kotlin programming language, and iOS we develop with Swift or Objective-C. So both of them we call it native platform. So you can imagine, so if you want to develop an application and support with both native platform, we need to spend double time to develop it, to make it. If we have other new feature for our application, we need to implement it double time also. So this costs a lot of time for developer to make a application to support with both native platform. So after that, the other new technology was come out. We call it hybrid mobile application. So with hybrid mobile application, we can develop an application with a single code base that support with both Android and iOS application. So it means you can save more time and more complexity instead of using native platform. So Flutter is a kind of hybrid mobile application that provided by Google, and they released it in 2017. Until today, it is 4 years and have a lot of more developers are moved into Flutter framework. So until today, the community of Flutter are bigger and bigger. Flutter is a framework that developed with Dart programming language. That they are similar to the other programming language also. It's like C, C#, C++, Kotlin, Java, Swift. Yeah, so that's why easy for any kind of mobile app developer or move into the Flutter framework. So Flutter framework also support with Android, iOS, web application and desktop application also. In the end, my course require you to know some basic of the programming language. This will make you easy to follow the lesson and easy to practice. Okay, so that is for my presentation today. Please be safe. Thank you for watching.